So this is the VIP washer, the seals washer. This is a touch screen. We got a little fancy with it. The Ecolab system. This is a solid surge, Plas, the OxyBright, and then the solid Navistar right here. We have a little button down here that you can use to turn the system off. So if you're washing your own item or just the seal stuff, and you have he's got his personal soap with it, you can turn it off and just wash it with his soap. So we doesn't necessarily have to use this because this is designed to shoot for this washer 60-pound worth of soap to go in there. So it wouldn't make sense to put just 2 items in there, turn it on, and then wasting all that soap. So you can turn it off, and whatever you're washing, you have your own soap with it. So this right here is a 60-pound device installed right here. So when the ship takes a roll, when we out to sea, it doesn't come back and hit whoever the operator is. So it holds this back in place, so it doesn't nobody get hurt with it. This Diana dryers. This one is touch screen. It is set for 40 minutes. This is the emergency button. So just in case we're down here and something goes wrong, we hit the emergency stop button and then everything shuts down. If you have lint build up in here, that can be a safety hazard. It can catch fire and stuff like that. So we tell the guys to make sure that it is clean before they use it. So when we are in port, it's not busy. So they take their time and clean it up. But when we're underway and it's really busy, they gotta make sure that every 2 hours they're in here clean all the time.